Ethereum value equivalent to $1870 a coin. The present reach, $1,867. $1,891. The earlier day close, $1,881. The change was 0.58%. Converse rate, United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for July 2023. To start with, cost at $1933. Greatest cost $2,072. Least cost $1,682. The normal for the month $1,898. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,903. Change for July 1.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. To start with, cost at $1903. Greatest cost $2,204. Least cost $1,733. The normal for the month $1,942. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,926. Change for August 1.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place, cost at $1926. Greatest cost $2,126. Least cost $1,848. The normal for the month $1,972. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,987. Change for September 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. At the outset, cost at $1987. Most extreme cost $2,130. Least cost $1,852. The normal for the month $1,990. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,991. Change for October 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $1991. Most extreme cost $2,187. Least cost $1,901. The normal for the month $2,031. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,044. Change for November 2.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $2044. Greatest cost $2,489. Least cost $2,044. The normal for the month $2,226. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,326. Change for December 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $2326. Most extreme cost $2,518. Least cost $2,188. The normal for the month $2,346. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,353. Change for January 1.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2353. Greatest cost $2,920. Least cost $2,353. The normal for the month $2,589. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,729. Change for February 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $2729. Most extreme cost $2,729. Least cost $2,348. The normal for the month $2,583. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,525. Change for spring 7.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with, cost at $2525. Greatest cost $2,525. Least cost $1,973. The normal for the month $2,286. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,121. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $2121. Most extreme cost $2,632. Least cost $2,121. The normal for the month $2,334. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,460. change for May 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else cost at $24.60. Most extreme cost $2,460. Least cost $1,956. The normal for the month $2,245. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,103. Change for June 14.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at $2,103. Greatest cost $2,103. Least cost $1,810. The normal for the month $1,991. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,946. Change for July 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at $1,658. Most extreme cost $1,658. Least cost $1,296. The normal for the month $1,502. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,394. Change for September 15.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2025. At the outset cost at $13.94. Most extreme cost $1,455. Least cost $1,265. The normal for the month $1,369. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,360. Change for October 2.4%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at $13.60. Greatest cost $1,688. Least cost $1,360. The normal for the month $1,497. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,578. Change for November 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $1,578. Greatest cost $1,958. Least cost $1,578. The normal for the month $1,736. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,830. Change for December 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $1,830. Most extreme cost $2,207. Least cost $1,830. The normal for the month $1,983. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,063. Change for January 12.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset cost at $20.63. Most extreme cost $2,561. Least cost $2,063. The normal for the month $2,270. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,393. Change for February 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $23.93. Greatest cost $2,970. Least cost $2,393. The normal